my little bird today. We're going to fix some creamy chicken and broccoli dinner tonight. So I have my frozen broccoli that I'm going to throw right on in here. Spread it around just a little bit. There we go. Now we're going to put our chicken in here. Yes, my stuff is most of the time always frozen. Yep, chicken. You're going to put that one right there. Good job. We'll be right back. We're going to wash our hands real quick. Alright. So now we got our chicken spices here that we're going to sprinkle on our chicken. Yes. No, give me this hand. I have some chives. Chives. And we got parsley. Parsley. You want to sprinkle some?
Oh.
Put it in the chicken. There you go.
Mama.
Yep. I have cream of celery here and I have cream of broccoli. We're going to dump it. Can I have this? Hold on, put another one. There you go. See, that one all came out in one go. Huh? Let mommy get it all out of the can.
No!
Hold on. You're going to do the next step. Take your spoon. Spread it around. There we go. Can you see this? Spread that around. Spread it all over the chicken. I have two different kinds of rice here. I have creamy chicken and chicken fried rice. You did such a good job. Gonna pour these right on top. Okay, we're all done. I'm going to stick this on the crock pot on high for 3 to 4 hours. I'll be back soon. Thank you.